Hey guys, for all the details on this Bye Bye Knots unit from Beauty Forever, make sure to keep watching. I'm going to take the paper off and the netting and the little clips. I just love how securely everything is packaged with this unit. So this unit is a balayage pre-curled Bye Bye Knots unit with the lace already cut off, and just look at the lace. Yes. It has a 5x7 closure and it is 20 inches long, but look at the color combination. Yes, color is FB30. So no combs in the front, one in the back, adjustable straps and hooks for the elastic band. I'm going to go ahead and insert the elastic band by putting these hooks into the loops on the inside of the unit. This unit is 150% density, 100% virgin hair, and an average cap size, so it fits anywhere between a 19 and 23 inches. And price for this length is $185. So I'm going to go ahead and just install her just straight out of the box. And I have on my wig cap already. This is just a nude wig cap with my hair in a ponytail in the back of my head. So I'm placing the elastic band around the back of my head and placing that back comb in the back of my hair. No combs to install in the front. However, these little ear tabs, these C-shaped ear tabs, fit very nicely around my ears. Now with a wide tooth comb, I am just combing through these curls, just trying to blend them together. I absolutely love that this unit comes out of the box pre-curl, but we have to comb through these curls, girl. We have to blend everything together. I wanted to give you all a close-up of this lace, and that's without any kind of makeup or anything under the lace. I mean, flawless, right? So you can wear this unit glueless, but I am going to take some Sebastian hair shaper spray, which is a light holding spray, and I'm just going to spray that around the lace right there in the middle. I'm not going to spray it all the way on both sides just because of the way that this unit fits around my hairline. I have an extremely low hairline, and so my edges peek through in front of that lace. So while I have this elastic band on with the Velcro just resting on the lace, I am going to curl the front two pieces of the hair with my Conair curling iron. And this curling iron, I got it from Amazon. I think it was like $15 or so, but I absolutely love it. I use it all the time. And with my curls, I am curling them away from my face. So just two sections in the front of my hair and then just curling them away from my face. I'm also going to take that same hairspray, the Sebastian hair shaper, and spray that around the parting space at the top of the unit. And then I'm going to use my hot comb to smooth everything at the top so it lays nice and flat. So here I am just finger combing the unit. Sometimes your own fingers are better than an actual comb. So that is kind of what I'm doing to get the look that I am desiring. And then I noticed this little piece of hair, so I'm just going to curl this with my curling iron. It's been about 15 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and remove that elastic band. And here's what that hairline looks like now. I'm going to take a little bit of my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 330 with an angle brush and just brush that right there in the parting space just to make that part pop. Now this step is completely optional because you saw how good the parting looked before. I noticed some more areas that I wanted to put a quick curl in, so I'm going to just grab a section of hair and then just curl it towards the back with my curling iron. I'm going to do this on both sides, just in that same little area. And I told you all that my edges are exposed, so I'm going to take some Baskin Lather Edge Control. Absolutely love this stuff. Put a small amount on my edges and then just brush it back with an edge brush. And I wanted my bangs to come forward just a little bit more, so I'm combing them forward and then just spraying some of the hairspray on them to make them stay in place. And just a quick finger comb with the curls again, and that is it. That is it for this install. Close up so you can see the hairline. And then I'm going to turn around so I can show you all angles. So of course the side, the back, got a little tangle there in the back, but that's just because of the way that I combed it. Side again, and front. Install complete. All right guys, so I am back. You saw my unboxing, you saw my install, and you heard all of the specs on this unit. So let me go ahead and provide you with all of my pros and cons on this unit. So pro number one for me is this beautiful balayage color. It is so gorgeous. So it's like a mixture between a natural black and a color number 30. And the color placement is just absolutely everything. It is just so gorgeous. I absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. It is beautiful, and the color is all throughout this unit. So it's not just on the top layer, it is all throughout this unit. I love the length of this unit. You all know that I love me a shorter unit, but with this balayage color, I am feeling the longer lengths, the longer tresses. It's just a look here. So let's talk about the Bye Bye Knots closure on this unit. So the closure goes from here to here, and then all the way back here. So if you did want to change your parting to a left side part or a right side part, or do a half up, half down, you will be able to do so. There is plenty of parting space, which means lots of versatility. And what I'm going to do is like do a little bit of a face frame right here in the front, just to kind of give it some kind of shape. So I'm just going to take it right here and just cut down in an angle motion. Already, I like that a lot more. Let me do just a little bit more. So again, just cutting down in an angle motion. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to do the same on the other side. And of course, this is just optional, but just personal preference for me. And again, just angle it down. And that is it. That's really all you have to do for a nice face frame. Okay, that looks so much better. I don't know if you all can tell, but it does look so much better. And I think I'm going to just clip the bottom just a little bit. So just this little piece at the bottom. Yes, okay, we are working with something now. But I am going to put everything down in the description box below, a link to Beauty Forever's website. If I do have any promo codes, I'll put that down there as well. Also, you'll find links to all of my favorite styling tools and products that I use. All of that is down in the description box, so make sure to check that out. But this is the final look. I am absolutely loving it. Again, this is a 7x5, I think, closure, so you have plenty of parting space. But just because of the way that the lace is laying on my head personally, I wouldn't be able to change it to a side part because you'll be able to see that lace exposed. But yes, I am digging the final look. And I did forget to mention, I'm not gonna hold you, but the hair is so extremely soft, and I have not received any shedding on this hair. The only shedding is just the little ends that I cut off in the face frame, but I just cut it off. So yes, very soft hair, but this is like a silky texture. But that is it for this review. Tell me what you all think down in the comments. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, send a friend, and I will see you all next time.